Have you ever woken up in the morning and felt like your mind just wasn't quite there yet? Like you're looking through a foggy window, struggling to remember where you put your glasses, or finding it hard to think clearly even after a full night's sleep? If that sounds familiar, you are definitely not alone. So many people, especially as we get a little older, describe this exact feeling. That heavy, cloudy, slow-to-start sensation that can make mornings feel like a real struggle. Most of us brush it off. We tell ourselves it's just age, or that we didn't sleep well, or that a strong cup of coffee will fix it. And sometimes, that fog does lift after a little while. But here's something worth paying attention to. If that foggy feeling is happening regularly, almost every morning, your brain may actually be trying to tell you something important. Not something to panic about, but something worth listening to. Today, we're going to talk about what might be going on inside your brain when that fog shows up so often. And more importantly, one simple, gentle thing you can do before bed tonight that may help support your brain while you sleep. It doesn't involve any complicated supplements or expensive programs. In fact, it may already be sitting in your kitchen. Before we go further, a quick and important note. Everything we share here on Prime Daily Health is for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for personal medical advice. Please always speak with your own doctor or healthcare professional before making changes to your health routine. They know your individual situation best, and that conversation truly matters. Now, let's talk about your brain and what might be behind that fog. Your brain is an incredibly hard-working organ. Even while you sleep, it's busy doing vital maintenance work, clearing out waste, making repairs, processing memories, and preparing you for the next day. Think of it like a busy city. During the day, all the traffic is moving, businesses are open, everything is in full swing. And overnight, the cleanup crews come out, sweeping the streets, fixing the roads, making sure everything is ready to go in the morning. But here's the thing. If those cleanup crews don't have the right tools, or if there's too much inflammation in the system, like a traffic jam that never clears, the repairs don't get done properly. And when you wake up the next morning, the streets are still messy. The roads still have potholes, and your brain feels foggy. Inflammation in the brain sounds like a scary term, but it's actually a natural process. Your immune system uses inflammation to protect you and help you heal. The problem comes when that inflammation becomes chronic, when it's a low-level, ongoing simmer that never quite goes away. This kind of quiet, persistent inflammation has been associated with memory difficulties, slower thinking, and yes, that frustrating morning brain fog. There are several things that can contribute to this. Poor sleep is a big one. When we don't get deep, restorative sleep, the brain's natural cleaning system, scientists call it the glymphatic system, doesn't get to do its full job. Toxins and cellular waste that should be flushed out overnight start to build up instead. Nutrient imbalances can also play a role. Our brains rely on very specific nutrients to function well, and if those nutrients are running low, brain signaling, the way our brain cells talk to each other, can start to slow down. And of course, stress, dehydration, and even blood sugar fluctuations throughout the day can all contribute to that foggy morning feeling. Now, none of this means something is seriously wrong, but it does mean your brain could use a little extra support. And the good news is, there are simple, natural ways to offer that support, starting with what you eat in the evening. Let's talk about one particular food that has quietly earned a remarkable reputation when it comes to brain health: walnuts. You may have noticed that a walnut looks a little bit like a tiny brain. That's just a fun coincidence. But what's not a coincidence is how powerfully walnuts may support brain function. They are one of the richest plant sources of a specific type of omega-3 fatty acid called ALA, or alpha-linolenic acid. Omega-3 fatty acids are sometimes called brain fats because the brain itself is largely made up of fat, healthy fat, and it relies on omega-3s to maintain the structure and flexibility of brain cells. Think of your brain cells like little bubbles. For information to pass smoothly from one cell to another, those bubbles need to be flexible and fluid. When we don't get enough healthy fats, the outer layer of those cells can become stiff and rigid, and communication slows down. Omega-3s help keep those cell membranes supple and responsive, which may support clearer thinking and better memory over time. But that's not all walnuts bring to the table. They also contain melatonin. Yes, the same melatonin that helps regulate your sleep cycle. Eating walnuts in the evening may help nudge your body gently toward a more restful night, which in turn gives your brain a better chance to do its important overnight repair work. Walnuts are also a good source of antioxidants, including a compound called polyphenols. These antioxidants may help reduce oxidative stress, which is essentially the wear and tear that happens to brain cells over time. By helping to calm that process, antioxidants may support the brain's ability to recover and function more efficiently. So here is a simple suggestion that many people find easy to adopt. Try having a small handful of walnuts, around 7 to 10 whole walnuts, about an hour or two before bed. Just as a little evening snack. You don't need to eat a large portion. A small, consistent amount eaten regularly is really what matters. You can enjoy them on their own, sprinkle them over a small bowl of yogurt, or even have them alongside something calming to drink. Speaking of calming drinks, let's talk about another wonderful option to pair with your evening routine: chamomile tea. Chamomile has been used for centuries as a gentle, natural aid for relaxation. And while it may seem like something your grandmother simply kept in the cupboard, modern research has started to explore why it has such a long history of helping people unwind. Chamomile contains an antioxidant called apigenin, which binds to certain receptors in the brain that are associated with promoting calmness and reducing feelings of anxiety. It's a gentle, natural process. Nothing dramatic, nothing sedating. Just a soft signal to your nervous system that it's time to wind down. A cup of warm chamomile tea in the evening can be a beautiful ritual. It slows you down. It gives your mind a chance to shift gears from the busyness of the day toward the stillness of the night. And when you pair that relaxation with the brain-supporting nutrients in your small handful of walnuts, you're offering your brain a genuinely caring combination. The nutrients it needs to repair itself, and the calm it needs to actually get into that deep, restorative sleep where the real repair happens. Now, chamomile tea does not contain caffeine, which is another reason it's well suited for evening use. Many people over 50 find that caffeine becomes more disruptive to sleep as they get older. Choosing a warm, caffeine-free drink in the evening can make a real difference to the quality of your rest. And better rest, as we've already discussed, is one of the most important things you can do for your brain's overnight recovery. Let's take a moment to bring this all together in a way that's easy to remember and easy to act on. If you're regularly waking up with brain fog, your brain may be under a quiet kind of stress. From inflammation, from disrupted sleep, from a lack of the specific nutrients it needs to do its overnight repair work. This isn't something to feel frightened about. It's something to respond to gently and consistently. Your evening routine matters more than many people realize. What you eat and drink in those last few hours before bed can either support your brain's natural recovery process or get in the way of it. Heavy meals, sugary snacks, caffeine, and alcohol late in the evening can all interfere with deep sleep and leave your brain without the rest it needs to repair and refresh itself. But a small handful of walnuts, full of omega-3s, melatonin, and antioxidants, and a warm cup of chamomile tea enjoyed quietly in the evening, may offer your brain something it has been quietly asking for. It's a small act of care, and small acts of care, done consistently, have a way of adding up to something meaningful over time. Don't expect miracles overnight. That wouldn't be realistic, and we never want to promise you something that science can't guarantee. But many people find that when they begin paying more attention to their evening habits and nourishing their bodies with the right things at the right time, mornings gradually begin to feel a little lighter, a little clearer, a little more like themselves. If you do try this simple evening routine, we'd genuinely love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell us, do you experience morning brain fog? Have you ever tried walnuts or chamomile tea in the evening, and did you notice any difference? Your experience matters, and sharing it may help someone else in our community who is going through the same thing. And please remember, while what we've shared today is based on nutritional science and health education, it is always important to speak with your own doctor about what's right for your individual body. Especially if your brain fog is severe, sudden, or getting worse. Please do bring that to a medical professional's attention. Your doctor is your partner in health, and that relationship is irreplaceable. If you found today's video helpful, please give it a like. It really does help more people find us. And if you haven't subscribed to Prime Daily Health yet, now is a wonderful time to do so. We're here every week with calm, clear, trustworthy health information for people just like you, because staying informed is one of the most powerful things you can do for your well-being at any age. Take good care of yourself tonight. Your brain is working hard for you, and now you know one simple, loving way to work hard for it in return. We'll see you in the next video.